Good morning. Today is Friday, April 24th, 2020. I just wanted to come on here to tell you the types of things that you should be doing today at home. And this is our last section of our first packet. Remember, on the back of this page is a copy of all of the learning videos that go along with each and every worksheet for you guys to go back and look at if you want to know more about something or if you have any questions. Also, if you have any questions, just email me. You can text or call me and we'll figure something out together. The first thing you're going to do today is your ECRI. Remember, it is so important to do your ECRI because it helps you become a better reader. Remember how important reading is. We read to do almost everything. I mean, how are you going to read your text messages if you don't know how to read? So, remember here, you point at the word or the sound, you slide your finger under, and you read it out loud. Don't sound it out word by or sound by sound, just say the word. Sound it out in your head, okay? So you point, slide, do that yourself, read all of the sounds and the words. And if you are having a hard time with the sounds, you can check out our YouTube, our links in my emails or on our website, or also the ECRI link that Mrs. Butler is teaching, and she'll give you an example of the sound too. That'll be really helpful. The next thing you do is read the words in your head. Practice reading them in your head. And then finally you do your silly read. Read all of the words for the third time. Like you're super excited. Oh, and I know you are to read those words anyway. So get excited for the third one and then read it. I would love to have video of you guys reading your words or reading your decodable reader. That would be so great. I'd love to hear. I miss hearing you guys read. Okay, so after you get done with that, choose as many words as you can and write 2 sentences. Remember your capital letters, your spacing, your punctuation at the end, and does it make sense? Write that at the bottom. When you're done, please flip the page, and on the back is your decodable reader. It's a review. You can go back and practice any of the readers that we had this week. The more you read, the better you'll get. So the more you can read, just the better. But this is just, we've already read this one this week. That's okay, we'll read it again. So today, you're gonna read the story. You're gonna go back and look at the spelling focus words. You'll highlight those. And today's looks a little bit different. It says, now this is sort of fun, I hope. Go on a word hunt for the words around your house. Well, these are actually sounds. For the sounds around your house, for words around your house with these sounds. Okay. And so you're going to go around your house and you're going to find all of the words that you have around your house that have these sounds in it, and you're going to write them down. You might need one of your family members to help you. That'll be fun. When you're done with that, it's time for your spelling. And so you're going to be spelling some words, but you're going to be choosing, if you have a paper clip, you can take it in the middle and you can spin it like how we do our spinners in class. And it'll tell you how to do your word. So for example, if your spinner is pointing towards the rainbow, write it, then you'll do rainbow writing. Sky write it, that would be writing it in the air. Clapping it, tapping it, and bubble letter writing it. So you use bubble letters to write it. So that's sort of exciting. Each word you do 3 times. Okay, you'd spin 3 times for every word. So 3 times for highest, you'd spin it 3 times for thicker, and 3 times for able, and 3 times for table. Pretty cool. When you're done with that, it's time for your STEM challenge. And for your STEM challenge, today's the day that you can test and modify your plan. So you're gonna take out your flip book, your STEM flip book. You're gonna do, oops, it says number 1 and 2. It's actually 3 and 4. Man, sugar cookies, I made a mistake. So you're gonna do test and modify. What it says at the top is test your idea. What happened? Test it, see, did it work? Did your plan work? You're gonna draw a picture and then you're gonna write about it. And then you're gonna think, okay, how can I improve my idea? How can I make this better? Think about how you can make your idea even better. Then draw and write about that. Once you've done that, guess what you're gonna do? You're gonna go back and change it and see if it really worked. And then you're gonna do number 4. It says, test your improved idea. So you changed it, you made it a little bit better. Even if it worked the first time, still think, how can I make it better? How can I make this even better? It doesn't have to be perfect, and even if it works the first time, you can always make things better. We're always getting better. So you test your improved idea and then say what happened, and then you write about it. You draw a picture of what happened. And then I want you to think about this. How did you feel about this challenge? What was the best part? And then you write about that. When you're done with that, it's time for your plant journal. Same thing that you've been doing every day. Hopefully by now we have some action. Make sure that you have some water in here, not too wet, not too dry. Just see what happened, draw a picture, and write about it. Make sure your beans are on your wet towel. And when you're done with that, it's time to do math. So for math today, go back. Juniors, you'll be doing chapter 6, lesson 5, and you're going to be working with tens, groups of 10. So be sure to check out my my links in the email or the website, and that'll explain the lesson that we're working on. If you're a senior, you're going to be working on chapter 6, lesson 5, and that's going to be regrouping ones and tens. Be sure to check out our learning videos, the links to help you out with that. And don't forget to do your daily language practice and your growth mindset journal. Check our YouTube channel because I will be doing the math lessons as well. So if you still are frustrated or you don't understand something, or maybe even if you do, you can let me know so that way I can help you or I could tell you awesome job. I hope you have an awesome weekend, and I bet your plant will grow a ton. I'll see you back on Monday.